Autobiography of a mobile phone. I am a mobile phone, a small but powerful device that has become an important part of human life. I was born in a modern factory where skilled engineers and machines worked together to create me. My body is made of metal and glass, and inside me are tiny circuits that give me life. When I was finally packed in a colorful box, I was excited to meet my new owner. One day, a young student bought me from a mobile shop. The moment I was switched on, my screen lit up brightly, and I felt proud. I was carefully handled and placed in a soft cover to protect me from scratches. From that day onward, I became a constant companion of my owner. I helped them make phone calls to friends and family, especially when they were far away. Hearing happy voices through my speaker made me feel useful. I am not just a calling device. I can do many tasks. I store contacts, send messages, and help people connect through the internet. My owner uses me to attend online classes, search for information, and complete homework. I also help them set alarms, take notes, and manage their daily schedule. During exams, I am used carefully only for study purposes, and I feel respected. I have a camera that captures special moments. I have taken pictures of birthdays, school events, and family gatherings. These memories stay safely inside me and can be shared with others anytime. I also play music and videos, helping my owner relax after a long day. Sometimes, I become a gaming device and bring joy and entertainment. However, my life is not always easy. I get tired when my battery runs low, and I need regular charging to stay active. I feel sad when people use me too much and forget the world around them. I wish they would remember that I am a tool, not a master. If used wisely, I can be very helpful, but misuse can cause harm. A single fall can damage my screen, and water can harm my circuits. That is why I appreciate it when my owner handles me gently and keeps me safe. I may be a machine, but I play a meaningful role in human life. In conclusion, I am a mobile phone, small in size but big in importance. I connect people, provide knowledge, store memories, and make life easier. I hope humans continue to use me responsibly and remember that I am here to serve them, not control them.